yung mga reflex na.
Japanese cuisine. So, objectives. At the end of the discussion, the students will be able to define Japanese cuisine, understand the historical influence, describe the nature and characteristics, identify regional specialties,
As inikmumpas mo naman ang robot si Polda. Ayaw,
ingredients, and
Utangin
basic
yung mangan.
So, introduction. The Japanese tend to cook individually, giving special attention to texture instead of blending herbs and spices with the ingredients to produce a full flavor. So, kawan naman tao Japanese ka ng sa Tagalan, sa ilaha is ka ng mga gulay-gulay bitaw silang pagkaon na gulay jud nga ikuan nila ibutang or ipares. Historical influence. Rice farming was introduced by China and Korea. So, nanan sa una nila. Buwa, puti, brown nga bugas, para sa tao. Pero naman sila sticky rice o kanang glutinous rice. So, sticky rice kanang mo gigamit nila o kanang mga sushi, mochi, then ang
Stop sana kayo. Hoy, guys, kanang
so, kung natin ay sticky rice, natin sila yung glutinous rice. So, ang glutinous rice is mas sticky siya. Then, mo nila gamitin o magamaw mga chewy rice cake, rice ball, o rice pudding. Rice is the staple food of Japan over 200 years ago. So, dugay, dili ko rin mga dugay na dyan sila gawin ng rice. Ako ba ko pa din. Producing were made out of rice such as rice cake. So, religious taboos against killing animals. So, sa una, ginadili ang pagkanang kuwan nito na pag-ihaw ang animals. So, ngayon ito more on gulay. So, sila sa una, ginadili man ang kapag animals. Then, in 1854, meat dishes and dairy products were accepted. So, sa 1854, involved si Meiji era. Mana ning nagkasugod na sila kada mga pwede na sila mag-ihaw o kanang mga animals para ilahang simuon og mga dishes. Then, sukiyaki and shabu-shabu were created as district Japan dish. So, ang sukiyaki kay mao ni siya ang kanang bitong diluto og pat bitaw ja gibutang ra tanang ingredients mura ra ginat-an bitaw. Anja ang shabu-shabu is nasa kaliro na giluto. Then, ang kalahian na ning sukiyaki is tamis ang sukiyaki and then shabu-shabu is ang sabaw ni ja mura mas lamian. Then, meat eating culture has existed since the Meiji era. Mana nitong gasugod o pag-ihaw o kaning laboy. Nature and characteristic. A primary characteristic of Japanese is the enjoyment of the raw taste food. So, mao ni sila ganahan sila og kanang mga hilaw-hilaw nga pagkaon bitaw kanang rekong lasa pang dugo bitaw nila ang karne-karne. Wow, yan nila na. Cutting methods were also developed especially to maintain good taste. So, ilang mga cutting methods mo na as nga pakuan, basic ra kuan. Japanese cooking time for roasting and boiling is kept relatively short. So, kanang dali na sila magpabukal magpalakwa ba. Umami is characteristic taste of Japanese food. So, umami mo ang mga sarsa nila ni paputang, mga karne, isda, o tanon, unsa pa mabaw sa nila. The arrangement of dish is another important factor in Japanese cuisine. So, kabaw na natang mga Japanese sa lamisa nila, matunod na nila ang lamisa bitaw dyan mo yung space nga pubutangan o kung saan mo kaya puro pagkaon na Japon. Then, wooden chopsticks are used. So, magamit sila stick. Plates and bowls are carefully presented to make visually attractive combination of their contents to express sessional feeling. So, masagalan din ang bowls and ang gamiton pabutan sa ng pagkaon. Then, a typical Japanese meal basically has 4 components: rice, miso, soup, the main dishes, and pickles. So, kani ang miso is kanang murag monik kanang mga miso is fermented soybean, mga liso-liso. Then, ang pickles, kanang mga gulay like pickled radish, ginger, basta vegetable. Then, rice is the staple components and lies at the core of Japanese food and culture. Rice and soap and balls form a basic pair. So, ikuan na din na ginahaya. So, kanan luto o kanang sabaw. Mono refers to pickles with good flavor. So ang kono-mono mo sila ang ilahang murag isip side dish nilang makahatag og more flavor sa ilahang dishes. These characteristic components of rice together with ichi jusansai thus form the basic of traditional cuisine. So ang ichi jusansai is traditional Japanese meal nga rice, soup, o side dishes. The way of eating Japanese cuisine is so alternative between eating the rice, soup, and side dish. So, gilahin siya lang kung luto rani, kung gulay, kung garnish, maura gilahin dito na sa kuan sundanan nila. Then, Japanese cuisine is nutritionally well balanced and healthy. So, kung magkaon sila o ka ng like dili healthy, so ilang na parisan ikaw man, magkaon sila o mga cabbage, nga ng gulay, ilang ipares ikaw man. Then, from a health perspective, green tea and Japanese cakes are also noteworthy. So, Japanese steak is also a good appetizer and enhance the mood during eating. So, kani is kanang alcohol in Japanese steak. Alcohol is siya nga gihimo sa rice nga i-preserve pa rin 2 weeks para mo flavor siya din. Pwede po ni ilahang ibutang sa ilahang dishes ka para timpla bitaw kay tampis mo siya. Next is reporter illustration.
So, regional cuisine and specialties. Regional cuisine mirrors the identity of cities of Japan. Regional dishes have evolved from